How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, where I catch the most precise bottoms and tops in the stock market. And today I want to talk over ticker SMCI, Super Micro Computer, and how it's just been skyrocketing for a lot of weeks. And I want to go over exactly where do I think the top is and the reversal pattern is. And before I go into that, I want to show you guys I have a premium Discord. I send out my best alerts with entries and exits before I get in. It's only $6 a month, and I'll put it into the comment section down below in the YouTube comments. So, what you guys want to look at for this strategy, and this strategy is just a little bit of background. I've been doing it for over 6 years. It has made me consistently profitable, and it works month after month after month. We've been having a nice win streak, making nice gains, over 100% winners on some of the moves that I call out. But this one right here, I think is a obviously it's not going to make a 100% move, but with an option play, you can make a really nice gain with this because we all know it's going to go down, but everyone's question is, when is it going down? I'm making this video because I am calling the top in this video. This is the top. I would definitely look to get into some put plays here and really make them print. And let me go exactly why I say that. So the top band is red. This is your sell zone, and this is considered very overextended according to my indicator settings. These are not your normal settings, they're customized. And the main thing to look at too is your KDJ. I have a KDJ. The higher the number, the more overextended. Let's not worry about RSI. That's out of the roof too. So what do you want to start look for with big cap stocks? You want to look for the weekly, right? So when the weekly gets over, like you see here, it goes down, makes a nice little dip here, 11%, 6%, and then it goes back up. But right here, nice little gain for options. Obviously, you want to make sure that the daily matches too. You don't base it on the weekly. But I want to just say the weekly, you want to look for a candle above the red band. That doesn't mean you buy right away. It just means that is a sell signal and you can start getting puts. Now let's look at the daily here. I was looking at that last weekly. I think it was right in here. You see this? It went back to this. So what you want to see right here is you want to know that price will go back to the blue band. The last time price hit the blue band was at 118.2024. It is 212. So it can make a swift move back to around $565 area. That is a big move with just a nice little correction for options. So yeah, as you can see, everywhere price goes, you see right here, every time is hitting this middle band. There's never gaps in history where it don't. The longer it doesn't hit it, like right in here, you see this overextension. There's no candles hitting it. The last time it hit was 502, and then right here it touched it at 620. So about a month time frame, it decides to hit it. We get sold off real fast, making nice gains right in here. This was a 265 to a 214 cut. Obviously, this is going to be a bigger correction because it's so overextended. So what I want you to show you guys is on the daily, you want to look for a K near 94, right? So all these candles are irrelevant. All these candles do not matter because the K is not near 90 at all. Right in here. But then you want to make sure too that the weekly is above too. So there's a lot of things you want to look at. And then you just want to look at, okay, well, what is actually driving this? Because any type of news will make it overextended more than it should be. We saw the GME type of play, all that hype. We saw DWAC that made it so much. But let's just look at how some of these plays played out. So DWAC, it goes all the way up, and then it loses like all of its gains almost to a T on this big candle, making massive gains on the puts that I alerted this one before. So back to SMCI, we know this is going to go out. I think this is the blow off top right in here. I would definitely look to get into some puts right in this area and start making a lot of money. The only problem is these contracts are expensive because it is a $773 share, so it could get a little expensive. But that's my analogy right in there. Also, I'm just giving you what I look for. This doesn't mean you get right in away, right? As you can see right now, I'm just now making a video because it's now in my criteria of, okay, this is going to go down. I am calling the top, and there's very little room up, and there's massive room to the downside of around 565 that you can make a lot of money on those option plays. So that's like almost a $200 haircut if it goes right to there. Obviously, take the profit that you want. 50% gain is pretty nice. Just take it and move on to the next one. So there's that. If you guys want to know how do I find reversals in the stock market and how do I do it consistently for over 6 years and been making lots of money, I do have a premium Discord I talked about briefly. It is only $6 a month, and there's a lot of people that could contest in here. Scroll down, you can comment to anything. That we do things right with discipline. We don't FOMO, we don't chase. We stick to the system because this system has over a 90% chance win rate, and we've been on for 6 months of just straight wins, and it's been nice. So what you'll get in this Discord is, one, you get me in here every day. Every time the market's open, even after hours. If you have any questions, I'm here. Trade alerts. Trade alerts would look like this. I put a limit order, and I say limit order to buy Peggy at this price, and you get exactly the price I get into. I also have a setup video, which will tell you exactly what you see on my screen, how to get this stuff with me deeply explaining things so you don't get, some false signals with it. And I go over exactly what to look for, and it works with anything in the stock market. I am so sorry. My wife is working on something. But yeah, this is how it works. This is stock SMCI. I am definitely looking for a solid put play here. This is looking very nice, and if you want to join the premium Discord, you won't regret it. If I don't 3x your account, then I'm doing something wrong. You should make consistent gains every month, and that $6 is like nothing. So if you guys want to join this Discord and you want to learn how to find reversals or just want some extra tools in your toolkit, go down below to the comment section, and I will pin it. I'll say join the Discord for the best trades, and these are the best trades because I look out of the whole market and I try to find 1 to 2 trades that can make that 100% gainer. And also, guys, if you like this video and you like my analogy, I know a lot of people are trying to catch SMCI down in the $400 range. It's just now on my radar. I'm calling the tops. I like to be in the party early, but I do not like to be in the party too early if it does not present itself. You always want to look at the risk versus reward, and that's what I'm seeing here. This will go down swiftly, guys. I promise you. I know it looks like it's going, to $1,000, and it's just never going down. It will go down, and every big rocket has to go down to a correction, and that's what that blue band is. That is your reversion to the mean, and you want to base it on your daily. It can easily take a $200 haircut. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a like, subscribe, comment. Any like of that helps the algorithm for the people to watch this video because YouTube will share it. And if you want to join the premium Discord, if you watch this long, I'd love to have you, and let's make some money together. Peace out.